Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a stainless steel cookware set that promises to elevate your kitchen experience. This isn't just another set of pots and pans, it's a thoughtfully curated collection designed for everyday cooking, and we're going to find out if it lives up to the hype. Let's start with what you get in this set. It's a three-piece combination, featuring a frying pan, a soup pot, and a milk pot. This selection covers a good range of your basic cooking needs, from searing and sautéing to simmering and boiling. The idea is to provide a perfect decoration for your kitchen while also being incredibly functional. Now, let's talk about the material. This set is constructed from high-quality stainless steel. This is a big deal for several reasons. Stainless steel is renowned for its durability and longevity. It's also corrosion-resistant, meaning you won't have to worry about rust or unsightly stains over time. Crucially, this set is uncoated. This is a significant advantage for those who prioritize health and natural cooking. Uncoated stainless steel means no synthetic chemicals are involved, making it a safer choice for your family. It also contributes to the ease of cleaning, as food residue generally doesn't adhere as stubbornly as it can with some other materials. The heat conduction is another strong point. Stainless steel is known for its excellent heat conductivity, which means these pans heat up quickly and distribute heat evenly. This is essential for achieving consistent cooking results and avoiding hot spots that can burn your food. Let's look at the individual pieces. The milk pot, measuring approximately 18 centimeters, is perfect for warming milk, making sauces, or preparing single servings of oatmeal. The soup pot, at around 22 centimeters, is ideal for larger batches of soup, stews, or boiling pasta. And then there's the frying pan, a substantial 24 centimeters, which is your go-to for frying eggs, searing meats, or making pancakes. The flat bottom design on all these pieces ensures stability on a variety of stovetops. A feature that often gets overlooked but is vital for practical use is the handle. These pots and pans come with sturdy handles that are designed for an easy grip. This not only makes maneuvering the cookware safer but also allows for convenient storage. The fact that they can be hung means they won't be cluttering up your valuable counter or shelf space. The versatility of this set is another major plus. It's great for gas stoves, induction cookers, and electric furnaces. This makes it a suitable choice for a wide range of kitchen setups, ensuring you can use it no matter what kind of stovetop you have. Now, let's consider the pros and cons to give you a well-rounded perspective. On the positive side, the quality of the stainless steel is undeniable. It feels robust and well-made. The uncoated surface is a significant health benefit and makes cleaning a breeze. The even heat distribution is fantastic for cooking, and the inclusion of three essential pieces provides excellent value for money. The hanging handles are a smart design choice for space optimization. However, no product is perfect, and there are a couple of things to keep in mind. While stainless steel is durable, it's not non-stick. This means that for certain delicate foods, like eggs or fish, you'll need to use a bit more oil or butter to prevent sticking, or master the technique of heat control and pan seasoning. Also, while the handles are sturdy, their design might not be to everyone's ergonomic preference, though they do feel secure in hand. In conclusion, this three-piece stainless steel cookware set offers a compelling combination of durability, health consciousness, and practicality. It's an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen essentials with a reliable and aesthetically pleasing set that can handle a variety of cooking tasks on multiple stovetop types. For its price point and the quality of materials used, it represents a strong contender in the cookware market. Link in the description.